My name is Oscar Eduardo Vera de la Rosa, and I'm studying DIB. Basically, I started 2 years ago. I find the city of Oulu a very interesting place and extremely different from Mexico City, where I came from. Especially, I think that the city of Oulu is the kind of city that I don't imagine that in a small, short trip, like as a tourist, you can really enjoy it. You can really find it lovely and a place you want to stay once you have been here, like for a life, like a living experience, like exchange or at least some diploma. Yeah, the courses in University of Applied Sciences are really good in the sense that they are very flexible, and they are pretty much about making your own research. I guess that sometimes, of course, there's some courses that you have to go through many hours of theory and such, but it really goes into your own learning, into a lot of study cases, a lot of teamwork, a lot of presentations. I guess that it's a great challenge to learn this language. First reason, to get into the culture, to get involved with Finns. Second, I think that it's almost a way to show your interest into Finland.